Hello everybody, welcome to another video, and today we're going to be talking about the severe weather that could be going over the Midwest, the Great Lakes, and then over to the Northeast. It's going to be a very powerful low pressure, so let's get right into it. We also have some excessive heat for the southern United States, so for this central plain and the southeast, for parts of the southeast, we have heat advisories, and we're gonna have excessive heat watches for parts of Arkansas, Louisiana, Mississippi, Oklahoma, Tennessee, and I wouldn't be surprised if that gets extended into Texas. And then we also have excessive heat watches for this desert Southwest. And we also have flood watches, flood warnings all across the Midwest. Here's our chances for any severe weather. We have an enhanced in this orange, so that's a pretty good chance of flash flooding, hail, and other types of severe weather. Then we have a slight risk in this yellow, and then a marginal risk in the green that surrounds that. And we also have some marginal risks for the Dakotas and parts of Minnesota, and then also for parts of Maine, we have a marginal risk. Now we're going to look at the tornado chances. We actually have a 5% chance of a tornado in that brown region and a 2% in both of those green regions. And then we have a 30% chance of wind damage in that red, 15% for that yellow, and 5% anywhere in that brown. And then we have 15% chance of hail over parts of Illinois and Iowa. And we have a 5% chance surrounding that in the brown. That was for today, and then for tomorrow we see that the storm kind of moves east, so all those risks get moved over to the east, and we have an enhanced risk for parts of southern New Jersey, Maryland, Delaware, northern Virginia, eastern West Virginia, and then we have a slight risk that includes Long Island, parts of northern New Jersey, parts of central PA, and southeast PA. Then we have all of West Virginia is either in a slight or enhanced risk. Basically anywhere in that yellow. I'm not going to name all the states. And then we have a few areas of marginal. We have here over parts of the Great Lakes. We have over the Central Plains. We also have a area for marginal. And then we have this area that stretches all the way down into Texas. This is from the same storm system that this marginal risk is from. And then we're just going to look at our chances of severe weather. We have a 30% chance in this red in southern New Jersey, the southern half of New Jersey. Then in parts of northern New Jersey, we have 15% chance of severe weather, and then 5% chance in that brown region, which also kind of clips northern New Jersey, the Hudson Valley, and most of PA is in that 5 to 15% chance. Now we're going to time all these storms out. So this afternoon, you could really be seeing those storms ramp up across Iowa, Minnesota, and the Dakotas. And it kind of moves off into Wisconsin, and it goes into Chicago tonight. And then over tomorrow in the morning, we're going to be seeing that storm system move over northern Ohio and into Pennsylvania, parts of Indiana as well. And now let's move into the Northeast. And we see that storm system move into the Northeast for Tuesday night. And we see the heaviest precipitation over parts of south central New Jersey, parts of eastern Long Island, and parts of Nantucket. We could also see really heavy precipitation there. And that is for late Tuesday, so around 11 o'clock Eastern time. And then it kind of moves out, and then we have a couple more systems that come in later this week. We're going to look at, here's the amount of rainfall that we have. So we have around, anywhere in this green, we have anywhere from a tenth of an inch to a half an inch. In the blues, we have a half an inch to 1 inch. In the yellows, we have 1 to 2 inches, and then in those reds we have 2 to 5 inches. And then if you do see like a brown or a really like, it looks like kind of like a black sort of, that's 5 to 7.5 inches of rain. So we have anywhere from, I would say, 1 to maybe 4 inches of rain in this area over the Ohio Valley and areas like that, northern Ohio, southern Michigan, parts of Chicago, Milwaukee could be impacted. Then we also have this next band over parts of central New Jersey, southern New Jersey, and that could be 2 to 4 inches of rain. And then for the northern half of New Jersey and parts of Pennsylvania, we could be seeing anywhere from half an inch to maybe 2 inches of rain. And now finally we're just going to look at the temperatures. We're going to focus for the southern half of the United States because that's where they could see record-breaking overnight record-breaking temperatures in general. So you see, as we warm up for today, we have temperatures widespread over 100 degrees in the southern plains, and then into the southeast we have upper 90s, and then for the desert southwest as well we have temperatures 105 to 107 degrees. And then we go for tomorrow afternoon, we have temperatures 100 to 110 degrees in the southwest, 100 to maybe an isolated 110 for the southeast and central southern plains as well. I think the highest number that I see in the southeast is 107 degrees. That's the highest temperature I see right down there near the border. And then for it kind of tones down a little bit, so you don't see it as widespread, but you do see really warm temperatures for Texas, and then especially for parts of Arizona and Southern California and parts of Nevada, we have temperatures that could reach 115 degrees down here in the southeast. And then for Friday we have same story basically, but I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you for watching the video. I've just recently hit 60 subscribers, so thank you guys for subscribing. If you're not yet subscribed, please hit that red subscribe button. And I know a lot of you guys don't actually have that, don't actually get the notification. So when you hit subscribe, make sure that when you see that bell pop up, make sure that you hit it and then click all so that you get notified whenever I post another video. Anyways, guys, that was me, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.